Hey there. Today we are diving into some exciting news from NASA. You might have heard that they are gearing up for a moon mission, but there's a lot more to this story than meets the eye. Let's unravel it, shall we? So, NASA is preparing to launch the SLS rocket, an Orion spacecraft for a lunar flyby. This is a big deal because it's a step towards humans returning to the moon, which has been a long-standing goal since the Apollo missions. But here's the twist: this mission has faced some serious challenges. First, a bit of context. NASA's Artemis program aims to send astronauts back to the moon, and Artemis 2 is the first crewed mission in this endeavor. The plan is to send a crew around the moon and back, a journey that hasn't been attempted since the Apollo era. Personally, I find it fascinating that we are revisiting the moon with modern technology. It's like a new chapter in our cosmic exploration story. Now, the recent development is that NASA had to bring the rocket back to the assembly building due to a helium flow issue. This is a massive operation, given the rocket's size. Imagine a 5,000-ton machine being rolled back for repairs. It's a testament to the complexity of space missions. What many people don't realize is that these delays are common in space exploration. Every mission is a delicate dance between technology and the unknown. Previously, NASA also encountered a hydrogen leak, which is a serious concern. These issues highlight the meticulous nature of space travel. One small problem can ground a mission. It's a high-stakes game where every detail matters. From my perspective, these challenges are part of the adventure, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. The good news is that NASA is targeting an April launch. The crew is already in quarantine, preparing for their historic journey. If all goes well, this will be the first crewed moon mission in over 50 years. What makes this really interesting is the potential for scientific discovery and the inspiration it could spark for a new generation of explorers. This mission is more than just a flyby. It's a symbol of our persistent curiosity and ambition. Despite the delays, NASA is committed to pushing forward. In my opinion, this resilience is what drives progress in space exploration. It's about learning from setbacks and adapting. So, will we see humans on the moon again soon? The answer is yes, but the journey is filled with twists and turns. This mission is a reminder that space exploration is as much about the process as it is about the destination. Stay tuned, because the story of Artemis 2 is just getting started.